In this video I will show you how to draw an octagon within a circle, but first we need to draw the given circle. In order to draw an octagon within the circle, therefore I will draw diameter this way. But I need to bisect. Finally, I will complete the octagon. Your colleagues will appreciate you if you share this video with them. My WhatsApp number is displayed on the screen. You can always message me whenever you are having a question or an assignment, and immediately, I will send a video of the solution to you for free.